First, I'm gonna kill you. Make him watch. Then I'm gonna kill him. Come on. Come on. Shut the door. Get him up. Come on, come on. Sit down. I said sit down. Let her go. You don't tell me what to do. Huh? Get up.
Okay.
I watched my girl bleed out and die. Hey. Hey, you kill anyone. It's not a cop.
Salazar's on the run. Looks like the hostages are safe.
Watch the exits, people. He's gonna be moving.
All right, sounds like he's headed to the front. You guys back up the sheriffs. We got this.
Okay, let's go. Out front.
Come with me.
Nowhere left to run, bro. Put the axe down, and I'll let you walk out of here alive. It's bullshit. It's not bullshit. You got dirt on Hale. We want to see that prick burn. I'll let you walk out of here. You gotta rat him out. Come on, bro. He came at me with the axe. I had no choice.
10-4, copy that. Salazar attacked Teller with a fire axe. Teller killed him with his own knife.
All right, yeah.